Dreaming of pursuing higher education or studying abroad? Scholarships can make it possible. Stay tuned to learn about the top scholarship opportunities for African students. Why do scholarships matter? Scholarships provide financial relief, open doors to top institutions, and empower you to focus on your studies and career goals rather than tuition and fees. Did you know? Over 10,000 African students receive scholarships annually. Now, let's dive into some prestigious, fully funded scholarships you should apply for. 1. Chevening Scholarships for master's programs in the UK. Chevening Scholarships enable outstanding emerging leaders from all over the world to pursue one-year master's degrees in the UK. 2. Erasmus Mundus for joint master's programs in Europe. Erasmus Mundus joint master's programs are prestigious, integrated, and international master's degree programs offered by a consortium of higher education institutions. 3. MasterCard Foundation Scholars Program for undergraduate and graduate studies for African students. The MasterCard Foundation Scholars Program provides scholarships to young African leaders to pursue higher education and cultivate their leadership potential. 4. DAAD Scholarships for postgraduate programs in Germany. DAAD scholarships are for graduates with a first academic degree wishing to continue their academic training in Germany with a postgraduate course of study. The scholarships we just mentioned cover tuition, travel, living expenses, and more. Prefer to study on the continent? Check out these regional options. First, African Union scholarships for STEM fields. The African Union offers various scholarships to support STEM education at all university levels. Second, Ashizi University full-ride scholarships in Ghana. Ashizi University offers several full-ride scholarships that cover tuition, housing, meals, learning materials, and in some cases, basic living expenses. Third, Mandela Rhodes Foundation, scholarships for leadership-focused graduate programs in Africa. The Mandela Rhodes Foundation scholarships combine financial support with leadership programs that will challenge you, grow you, and connect you to young African changemakers. With these opportunities, we can focus on building skills for Africa in Africa. Wanna know how to apply and win? Follow these tips. 1. Start early and meet deadlines. You don't want to rush something this important. 2. Write a compelling personal statement. Ensure you capture your best self. 3. Highlight achievements and community impact. Institutions look to reward community leaders. 4. Secure strong recommendation letters. Ensure you have people in your network that will speak highly of you. 5. Tailor each application to the scholarship requirements. Make sure you are specific to each program. Pro tip: to correct grammar and syntax errors, use Grammarly to polish your essays. Are you looking for free resources to find scholarships? Try using these platforms. 1. Scholarshipportal.com for global options. 2. OpportunityDesk.org for curated African scholarships. 3. Education USA for US-based scholarships. 4. Scholarships Africa app for local opportunities. Another pro tip: don't forget to bookmark these sites for easy access. Remember, it's not impossible. Let's meet some students like you who made it. Adama, a MasterCard scholar, is now a social entrepreneur. Kwame, an Erasmus recipient, works with the UN. Fatima, a Chevening alum, leads an NGO in West Africa. Their journey started with a single application. Yours can too. The opportunities are endless, and the time is now. Start your scholarship journey today and take your education to the next level. Subscribe to Empower Africa Academy for free templates, tips, and the latest opportunities. Empowering Africa, one skill at a time. Please like and share this video and subscribe to Empower Africa Academy for more educational content.